Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you that the device comes with the earphones inside the box. So let's open the box first, and here, yes, as can you see, we have inside the box the headphones, just what the Vivo original one with the 3.5 millimeters jack here. So as can you see, our Vivo comes with the headphones inside the box. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.